I have now logged into Intune Admin Center using my global administrator account. The first thing that we need to do is enable enrollment for macOS devices. So for that, go ahead and click Devices, click on macOS, and click on Enrollment. The first thing that we need to do is to set up Apple MDM Push Certificate. So click on this URL, and in here, click Agree and download your certificate signing request. This will download a certificate file to your local computer. The next thing we need to do is log into Apple and upload this certificate. So click on this URL here. This will open up your Apple login details. In here, we need to log in using your Apple account. Now make sure that this Apple account is only used for this purpose, and make sure to keep the credentials for this account securely, because when it comes to the next year, you will need to re-authenticate the certificate and you will need the exact same Apple account in order to do that. So I'm going to log into my Apple account using my Apple ID. If you do not have an Apple ID, you can click on here to create your new Apple account. Let me just log in. And I've got multi-factor authentication enabled. I'm going to enter the code. After you've logged into your Apple account, you will see this green color button. Click Create a Certificate. Tick this checkbox and click Accept. You can put some notes in here if you like. Otherwise, you can just proceed to upload the file that you just downloaded from Intune. So click Choose File. Select the file that you just downloaded from Microsoft Intune. Double click on it. So the file has been uploaded. Click the Upload button to upload the file. As you can see, the push certificate has been uploaded to Apple successfully. Now we need to download this certificate. Click Download. The certificate has been downloaded. So let's go back to Intune. In here, what we need to do is enter the Apple ID that was used to create the Apple MDM Push Certificate. I'm just going to type the Apple ID in here, and then I'm going to upload the Apple MDM Push Certificate that we just downloaded from our Apple account. Click Upload. Now the uploading has been completed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close this off and refresh. And you will see all the other options have become active now. Now if I go back to Apple MDM Push Certificate, you will see the status as active.